Alright folks, just want to let you know about a little pet peeve I have about seamless gutters. Alright, seamless gutters, they sound nice. There's one long piece, no matter how long you need it. There's no seams, and they kind of make it up themselves because there's like a machine. This is like flat aluminum, okay, and then they make it to the shape. They make their own little end caps over there, and they make a little spout. They cut a hole in there, put a spout in there, and it's supposed to look good, but it's about 10 years old. But look at the quality of the aluminum nowadays. All right, they lose their color. All right, they get dirty. They just don't stay white. Remember the old days we used to go to the home improvement stores and buy our own little gutters and put them in ourselves? They always stayed white. But these flat, comes in a roll, and they bend them themselves. This is what happens. But this is the one that I'm complaining about right here. See this? After they cut the hole out and they figure out where your downspout is going to be, they cut a hole and they put this little piece in here. And you see what happens in this little piece in here? What happens that if you have some leaves in here or these little helicopter things, okay, see them? Once you get one or two stuck in here, and then three, and then four, what happens is it builds a little dam. Look at this. Look at the play on here. Okay? They bend it over, they peen it over, but you give it time and these are gonna lift. Okay? When this lifts, what happens, like I said, you get a couple of these things, 2, 3, 4, a branch gets stuck in there, and then it starts to build up, and then it's like a little beaver making a little dam. It's gonna fill this thing up, and then you're shot. All right, so maybe if you wanna use the seamless gutters with the little covers up on top, okay, which I don't like either, because usually at the end where it lifts a little bit, the birds like to make a little nest in there. Okay, once you have a little piece sticking out, you just need one bird to go in there and they build a little nest, and they love it in here. Plus, during a heavy snowstorm, when you have those guards, the rain comes down so fast that it doesn't have time to go through that mesh. It's going to run right off. So it's actually kind of worse to have gutters when you have a heavy storm. All right, with a heavy storm, they just rush right out. But like I said, the pet peeve is right here. Look at the quality here. See that? So every 2 times a year, I gotta come up here and I gotta clean these things up, because these things are not peened over right. They're not glued on right. I don't know what they're supposed to do. It's aluminum. They should do a little aluminum welding and hold it down. But yeah, any leaves, little helicopter ones, anything that's going to get stuck in there, it's going to jam you up, and then you're going to have problems. All right, other than that, yeah, lost the color. It's not white no more. This thing here is a pain in the butt. Other than that, listen, I'm not a fan of seamless gutters, but it's what it is now. Everybody makes it. All right, look, I can stick my fingernails on this side too and lift it up. So it's open all the way around. It's going to be a problem. All right, that's it. Ciao.